I'll be addressing some ways to simplify the support needed for robotic-based automation at IBIE.
We're going to talk a little bit about what cannabis is, why consumers want it, and how to put it in your baked goods.
We'll be learning the benefits of using high oleic soybean oil and shortening in baking and frying, and how this U.S.-grown ingredients, neutral flavors, allows your products' natural taste profiles to shine while keeping customers happy and costs down.
And I'm really excited to join you for the first time at IBIE to talk to you and talk with you about some of the opportunities around decreasing risk in this area, as well as decreasing the impact of sanitation from a financial standpoint.
Join me at IBIE September 7th to the 11th to learn more about how to make robotics simple.
See you there!